Today I am showing a class library which work in FTP file server. Are you work in FTP file server? So help you and use it. Create a console application. I am using console application. You are in using different project. So I am testing purpose showing so that I am using console application. Project name, my test project for FTP Sharp Live. My project name is that and solution name and project as it is as your wish. You choose that. Next. And target your framework. So I'm using .NET 8.0. Create and created our console application. So here I am showing you file upload in FTP, file download from FTP, file delete from FTP, a file list from FTP. So I am showing this forward. So at first, go to your project, right button click, manage NuGet package. Go to your manage NuGet package, then browse, search here FTP Sharp Live. Then appear this class library. Then install. Always install up to great version. So install. Install successful. Go to your main program. So firstly, initial the class FTP client, which is reference FTP client, new TP client. Here need post username, password, and port. So I'm create a class of class FTP credential body post username body So, so I'm initialize here. This is my activity credential. Then we'll create client. Then use here dot host dot username dot password. Then created offline and firstly file upload. File upload in FTP server. So await client dot upload file. Here need local file path and final file path. Okay. R local file path file path. Okay, use local file path, remove file path. Okay, we are providing a local file path. Okay, I'm using that. This file path. This is local file path and remove file path. I'm using yeah, the file name is firstly connect the FTP. Have it client dot connect and have it client dot disconnect. Okay, okay. Check here. Nothing is file. Okay, we're on the program. Check it. That's the main method. Okay. Creating a class. And get a class. sheet, sheet two. Okay. Then go one. Okay. We are using asynchronous programming. So use task, then what to. Okay. Where see file after download. Refresh here. Yes. File upload successfully. Okay. Okay. We are file upload successful and file download from FTP. Okay, fine. Here I'm showing file download. Await client dot download file. Remove path local path. Okay. Delete from here my download folder and run the program. Okay. Okay, we are check. Okay, check remove path. Remove path local path. Okay. Then start program and successfully download folder. Yes, downloaded the file. Okay. Okay. Last third file delete. Okay. Await client dot delete file. Here remove path. Remove path. Then successfully program run and check delete or not. Yes, deleted. Then last I want to get the list of file from a directory. Then I want to check this directory, how many files are available. Get file list, each one. Okay, okay. Alright, client dot get file list. Here, neat, remove directory. Okay, remove. all. Okay, response. We are taking the response and remove the response. Here, give the response. Here. Okay, we check how many files are available here. Okay, response, three file. Yes, 14 dot d one 4.b. Okay. Yeah, yeah, three files and response back is three files. So if you use for for your help from activity server, file read, write, and read and upload. Thank you so much. Lapis.